同学们好，谢谢大家来汉语 at Narralakes. Hi everyone, thanks for coming to 汉语 at Narralakes. 学习中文. Today's lesson is going to be on 天气 weather. And our site, or this site is Hanyu at Narralakes. We will be going through various lessons. The first series being 天气. Right. Throughout the series of lessons, there'll be key phrases on various topics, and these will be incorporated with various textbooks that we'll be using. Right, so once you learn these key phrases, you'll be able to build on them with using our resources such as textbooks and so on. They'll be explained a bit later on. Right, the first key phrase for weather, 天气 is 天气好吗？天气好吗？天气好吗 is asking, is the weather good? Now, basically, this is the first question you would be asking about this particular topic. The main question type being the ma question, 好吗 just means is that good? Right, so whatever you have in front here it's 天气, and that's asking is the weather good? Now, these lessons will follow similar patterns. So there'll be a stimulus coming through, like a picture. Alright, and then the answer will be related to that picture. For example, answer 1, 天气很好. 天气很好. When you see this version in brackets, 很好, that's just the very basic answer you could have, 很好, or you could just have 好 on its own. 好 on its own. Okay? Alright, next is the negative form. 天气不好. 天气不好, or the short form there, 不好 on its own. Right, meaning not good. Right, now the next key phrase is question 2. This is where the questions start getting a bit more complex. 天气怎么样? 天气怎么样? Again, our main word, followed by the question type, 怎么样? 怎么样? Right? 怎么样 meaning how or what. So how's the weather? Right, there's our stimulus. Right, it's hot. 天气很热. 天气很热, or the short form, 很热. Followed by the negative form. 天气不太热. 天气不太热. Whenever you see a word in brackets, could mean the option, right? Meaning you can have it or you can leave it out. Right? For example, right, the brackets over there, right? Tai, right? T-A-I, fourth tone, right? Meaning too, T-O-O, too. So not too hot, not too hot. Now the next phrase, key phrase, still question phrase, is 你喜欢什么样的天气? 你喜欢什么样的天气? Alright, now when 什么样 is similar to 怎么样 but slightly different. 什么样 is what type of weather? What type of weather? 你喜欢 like 什么样的天气？你喜欢什么样的天气？ So what type of weather do you like? Typical beach scene. First response being 我喜欢热天。我喜欢热天，因为可以去海边游泳。因为可以去海边游泳。Now again with this phrase here, this is like question 2, but we're even making it a little bit more complex, higher order, because you've got one clause here, 我喜欢热天, just like question 1 or 2, the answers, 我喜欢热天, and then comma, and there's our second clause, making this reply slightly more complex. 因为 because 因为可以去海边游泳 right? 因为 because 可以 can 去 to go 海边 the beach or seaside 游泳 swimming. 我喜欢热天因为可以去海边游泳 Right, the next response, A2, for this question is the negative response, a possible negative response. 我不喜欢下雨天。我不喜欢下雨天，因为不能出去。因为不能出去。Again, 我不喜欢 so it's a negative form. 我不喜欢 I don't like 下雨天下雨天 rainy days 因为不能出去因为不能出去 Now if this one here I'll just highlight a couple of parts here. Now when we're looking at right the main bits here, right? Now, 因为 is because 可以去 and there's a place word here, P for place, right? 游泳 an activity. Okay? So, 因为 is the main phrase, joining clause here, because, alright? So we've got a bracket. I like hot days because you can go to the beach to swim. You can do the same thing with the negative response. 我不喜欢下雨天，因为 because 不能出去。Right? Because you can't go out. So you're giving a reason, all right, why you like something. All right, so you can change a lot of this. You could change, for example, 热天 and practically this whole bit here. For other words, 我不喜欢热狗，因为不好吃 would be another example. Okay? Or 我喜欢热狗，因为不好吃。Okay. Now, this slide here is just showing some videos, right, that I've downloaded from YouTube. This one here is basic language one. It's not bad for starters. You could use this one. Just move it up a bit. Right.
今天天气晴转多云。
Sentence structures with some video
阳光很好，非常暖和。
some phrases in them. This one's okay too.
你好，
He starts off very basically with
这
vocabulary
些话题
first. Right.
天气
Like here, and then she goes into more complex structures and so on.
今
Okay, so that's not too
天
bad.
真热，
And this guy here, Benny,
嗨，大家好，
Ask
我
Benny.
是
Okay, he's pretty good too. There's millions of YouTube clips on there, but these are just related to
It
weather. I
means
had a look at it
tomorrow.
here. This is pretty good. He goes in there with
Today's weather
there's a
is
basic
very
script
good. 明天
and
天气
translations
怎么样
and？ pinyin too, which is
明
handy. Alright, now the last slide here is just some acknowledgements. Most of the Googles, apart from this one here, from Google Images. Alright, they're the easiest ones to get. I've got heaps of my own ones which I'll put up later. Sound files, the sound effects you heard were by Kevin MacLeod. They're free MP3s and so on you can get down off the web. YouTube, just acknowledging them, those 3 video clips. Class reference that we use for this topic, Nihao 2 text by Paul Friedland and his wife Shumang, and lesson 9 from that book, Nihao 2, and that's me, the podcaster here. Alright, well I hope you like that lesson and we'll see how we go in the future. I hope you watch a few more and learn something. Thank you.